This is the Drain King, and it just saved me a ton of time and money. This thing is so cool. So the way this works is you just hook this up to the end of your hose, and this is a rubber part. It expands as the water comes through, squirts water out, it pushes everything out of the drain. Let me show you how I use this to unclog my drain. So I first tried this outside just to see kind of how it would expand, and I turned the water on just a little bit and it expanded really slowly. If you turn the water on full blast, it will expand really quick, so just be kind of aware of that. But I had a floor drain that wasn't draining. I couldn't figure it out. I tried a snake, I tried a bunch of things, nothing would work. Then I put this inside. I had my wife turn on the water, and I kept thinking that the water was gonna squirt out and completely drench me and make a huge mess, but to my surprise and amazement, it did not. All the water went down. I couldn't believe it initially. So I had my wife turn off the water and then had her turn it back on, where I just put the hose in just to see if it would drain normally, and it absolutely did. I don't know if I have ever been as impressed with an inexpensive product as I have with this. If you have a clogged drain where you think extra pressure would clear it out, this thing is so cool.